QR codes have become an integral part of our lives, from scanning restaurant menus to accessing exclusive offers and promotions. But have you ever wondered how you can take these mundane black and white squares to the next level? Well, we've got you covered. My name is Margot, and in this video, I will show you how to add a logo to your QR code. Logos, brand colors, and other design elements play a vital role in making your brand stand out. Integrating your brand's visual identity directly into a QR code can enhance its impact, increase recognition, and even drive more engagement with your audience. It is the way to go. Now, research suggests that it takes 5 to 7 brand impressions for someone to remember your brand. So your logo is one of the most powerful tools of your branding. Adding a logo to your QR codes instantly makes it a part of your entire brand language. And as a result, your customers can instantly recognize whose QR codes they're scanning. And they can do so with trust and assurance. But before you can add a logo to your QR codes, make sure that you have signed up on Beaconstac for a 14-day free trial. All right, let me show you how to quickly create a QR code with a logo for your branding without further delay. First, go to your Beaconstac dashboard and click on Create. Choose the QR code type based on your requirements. You can create a website QR code, a landing page QR code, an app download QR code, or any other QR code campaign mentioned. For instance, if you are making a QR code campaign that leads to your website, insert the URL in the website option. Once you're done selecting the QR code type, you can now custom design your QR code on various aspects, starting with the QR code shape. In the next step, upload your company logo to the dashboard. You can choose from the existing logos available in your dashboard, or you can upload a new one. You have the option to set the logo background to white, and if you do so, it will ensure that the logo stands out in your QR code. You can also change the logo size within the QR code. Now, after you finish your logo, you can choose the QR code background, frame, and CTA. All of these customization options let you fine-tune your logo QR code per your branding. All right, below the QR code preview, there is a scannability score on your dashboard. Ensure excellent scannability so that your customers can scan it easily. Your personalized QR code is now ready, and you can also set this QR code as a template so that all of the users in your account access a standard QR code design and maintain brand consistency. Name the QR code and save it in your dashboard. You can download it in any of the available formats suitable for you. All right, that's it. Now, if you want to create several QR codes with logos at once, which would typically be daunting, it is a total breeze with Beaconstac. With Beaconstac's bulk QR code generator, you can create multiple QR codes with logos in just a few clicks. After creating, you can manage all of the QR codes end to end from a single dashboard. Beaconstac offers template access and design enforcement for QR codes, ensuring brand consistency and professional appearance throughout an organization. The features are amazing here. It allows standardized templates and design options, enabling a very cohesive and memorable end user experience. With the ability to track performance and make real-time updates, Beaconstac's bulk QR code generator puts you in the driver's seat of your marketing initiatives. Our QR code analytics feature lets you access many data, such as the total number of scans each QR code has received, unique visitors, the device used to scan, location, date, and time, and so much more. Now that we have explored how to create QR codes with logos, let's go ahead and delve into the incredible benefits of incorporating logos into your QR codes. Improve brand recall and increase conversion. A logo is one of the most recognizable brand identifiers, closely followed by visual style and brand colors. So when you add a logo to your QR code, it instantly communicates brand identity. Adding your logo to a QR code instantly enhances brand recognition. Now, when customers see your familiar logo embedded within the QR code, it triggers a connection to your brand, and this increases their recall and their trust. This in turn leads to higher conversion rates and greater customer loyalty. Next, easy to identify and stand out from the competition. QR codes with logos are visually striking, and they instantly catch the eye of consumers. By incorporating your brand's unique logo, you create a distinct identity that sets you apart from your competitors. This makes it so much easier for potential customers to recognize and choose your QR code over all the others in the sea of black and white squares. Boost engagement with an attractive frame and call to action. Adding a logo to a QR code provides creative opportunities, allowing frame customization with attractive designs and colors that align with the brand identity. It also enables the strategic placement of a compelling call to action, or CTA, within the QR code, enticing users to scan and engage with content, promotions, or other offers. Including a CTA such as scan to avail offer or scan to view more informs customers of what to expect after scanning, enhancing the user experience. Brands such as Coca-Cola, KFC, Adidas, and so many more have used QR codes with logos for their campaigns and marketing collaterals. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Beaconstac's 14-day free trial and transform your QR codes with logos. The link is in the description below, and do not forget to subscribe to this awesome channel to learn more about QR codes. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below and we would be happy to answer. All right, I'll see you in the comments section and stay tuned for the next video.